you want to grow your own winter greens. And if you go and buy the seed for winter greens, you find that they're $6, $7, $8, $9 a little packet. Well, have you ever figured out how easy it is? You have to buy some elaborate equipment or washers. No, not really. All you want is a plastic plate and a paper towel, like so. Soak the paper towel, and then you say, okay, I want to grow peas. Where did these peas come from? Nice, clean peas from a grocery store bin. So what you do, you plate them out. These are green peas, and what you do then is you get a Ziploc bag, put those peas in that Ziploc bag, and of course zip the bag. You can put them on top of the refrigerator if you want to. Those peas will germinate. If you give them light, they'll be green. So if you put them by a window, they'll be nice and green. These were beans grown in front of a window in a Ziploc bag. You can grow beans, pink beans. Go ahead. There's your pink beans. And they grow beautifully. So, an easy way of getting your winter greens and getting your germination at very little cost. You don't have to spend $40, $50, $100. 20 cents. Thank you.